Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air. Today we're going to look at the new Carrier Comfort Series R-454B Puron Advanced Condenser outside. This is part one of two videos I'm going to do. I'm going to do the outside, then I'll go inside and do a video in there. So this system has a lot of new features and specs. We're going to go through all that. Like I said, this is a Puron Advanced system. So that is the new refrigerant. This refrigerant is brand new this year. We can still use the old refrigerant, but they stopped manufacturing units. So there is a sell-through for the rest of this year through the end of 2025. The Puron Advanced stuff is now out. This is a Carrier system. We just did it today. We have the condenser outside. This is a 4-ton model 26 SCA5 48W003. Inside we have the Carrier furnace and a Carrier coil. That will be in part two of the video. I'm going to let you know a little bit about this unit, what it took to install it. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more of the new Puron Advanced stuff. I'm going to let you know what's going on, all the new products coming out, efficiencies, performances, all that of the new system. So let's get right into this. Like I said, this is the Carrier Comfort Series condenser. Measures 31 by 31 by 32 inches high. You can see the big logo on the side, the Puron Advanced, letting you know it is the new refrigerant. Down here we do have the red caps on the ports here, so that does mean it is an A2L refrigerant, which means it will be a flammable refrigerant. So when you are installing this, you need to take precautions. The refrigerant itself comes in different colored jugs. It has left thread fittings on it to be able to use that refrigerant. So you want to make sure if you're getting this type of system installed, you have a Carrier Factory Authorized Dealer like ourselves that knows exactly what they're doing. We did a lot of training for this stuff because it is different. It's a different animal than the old refrigerant. If you have questions about this or comments, make sure you leave that in the section below. I'd be happy to answer this for you. As I was saying earlier, this is brand new. As of next year, 2026, this will be the only system we can do by Carrier, an R-454B refrigerant Puron Advanced. Other manufacturers will be using this refrigerant. Some will also be using the R32, but R-410A that we're using today and for the past 25 years will be completely gone. So there is a sell-through this year on that stuff. Most manufacturers are going to be running out of that and will only be able to do the new refrigerant. So you want to make sure you have a, if you're going to get a new system, you look into the pros and cons of what's going on. This will be our refrigerant probably for the next 15 to 20 years. So we have learned it. We are going to install it. It is safer for the environment. The whole point of it is it has a lower GWP, which is the global warming potential. So that is the reason they went to this. It is not just in California. It is not just in North America, it is global. So all over the world, we had to go to either the R-454B to meet that GWP or to R-32, which some other brands did. So that's gonna be it for part one. I'm gonna go inside for part two. I'm gonna check out the furnace and coil that's matched with this. There are some new features with those I'm gonna highlight. So make sure you tune into that, like my page, like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.